Hi everyone! Today's video is going to be an unboxing of a package that I received from Baby the Star Shine Bright. So let's get this package open. Oh my gosh, this package came without a tracking number, so I wasn't too sure what's in it, but now I know. As usual, when you order direct from Baby the Star Shine Bright, you get a bag, so I'm gonna add that into my bag collection. Here is what I ordered. This is Baby the Star Shine Bright Kumya Sweet Anniversary Dress with the matching head bow. I'm going to take it out so I can show you. If you haven't seen my videos to celebrate Baby the Star Shine Bright's 30th anniversary, please feel free to check out the info card as well as the description box down below. I made two different videos. One is the tea party book that all the guests received for those who attended their tea party. And the second is a fun facts about Baby the Star Shine Bright in order to celebrate their 30th anniversary. But let's get on to this dress. So the dress itself was supposed to ship out in January. However, the head bow was what took forever. So I got the head bow to match the series, obviously blue. It does have wiring in there so you can adjust however you'd like the bow. And it features Judy-chan. I'm really glad that I decided to pick up the matching head bow that goes with this series. The only accessory that I kind of regret not getting for this are the Kumya clothes that you can purchase for your Kumya to match with you. Now onto the dress itself. I picked up the high-waisted jumper skirt because I was enamored with the Baby the Star Shine Bright logo ribbon waist ties. So with the high-waisted cut, there's a half paneling of shearing in the back. Baby's logo printed on the ribbon is a really nice touch, and I'm a big fan of the contrasting ribbons of the navy versus the sacks of the dress. So the lacing on this dress is pretty basic. There isn't anything unique about the lace that we've used on the bottom or the straps. The top ribbons aren't detachable, so I might modify that to make it detachable in the future. There are subtle glitters throughout this dress, which is amazing. So that gives the dress a lot more dimension than I was expecting. The print itself is very adorable. It is very detailed, and I can probably spend hours just looking at the little party that all the Kumyas are actually having on this dress. I'm really in love with the bunting design. It actually has baby written on the bunting. Another detail I'm noticing is some of the balloons actually have 30 in them, which is to celebrate baby's 30th anniversary. I really love the colors that they used for this, so not just pinks and blues, but browns as well, so I can pull out those tones to coordinate. Enough rambling about this dress, let us try it on. I am very impressed with this dress, and I am so glad to have it in my collection now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you guys like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!